I am a huge fan of Skin by Jada Ross. So today I am super excited to show you how to use the Lips Brightening Butter. Step number 1, in the evening, wash your face. I like to use the Bright and Glow face wash from Skin by Jada Ross. Step number 2, apply a generous amount of Lips Brightening Butter on freshly washed lips. This smells so amazing. Step number 3, it's off to bed. Step number 4, in the morning, gently brush your lips with a dry toothbrush. I absolutely love how soft and moisturized my lips feel. Step 5, follow with cleansing your face. Again, I like to use the Bright and Glow face wash from Skin by Jada Ross. Continue doing this nightly up until you reach your desired results, then reduce to a few times a week for maintenance.